This is John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about some of the reviews for AARP life insurance. You can go online and look at various reviews of customers who have had or used or attempted to purchase AARP life insurance, and you will find, just like any reviews, you'll find some good and some bad. One thing that people like about it is that it's very easy often to apply for. There's no medical exams. Not a lot of paperwork. It can virtually be done online in a couple of hours. Some things that I've heard that people don't like about AARP life insurance is people don't truly understand what exact policy they have, what the terms of the policy are, and what it means to have the certain amount of coverage that they have. Whether they have term or whole life, they may not understand the difference or what they're getting into. They may just want to look at the cheapest one and click a button, and that's the one that they want because it's the cheapest, and they don't understand exactly what it's covering. Other complaints I've heard is that customer service is not so great. You're kind of getting what you pay for. You're paying a lot cheaper amount for insurance, so you're not working with an agent. You don't have anyone who's dedicated to servicing you. Instead, if you have problems, questions, concerns, you're given an email address or an 800 number that you've got to call, and you've got to kind of do your own research and responsible for tracking down this information and keeping after them. And this can be quite a hassle for some people and can cause them some stress. And then also when claims arise. So if the purpose of buying life insurance is to pass on an amount of money when you die easily to your family members without a lot of hassle, then AARP life insurance may not always be the way to go. People want to have this money guaranteed to be passed on to their children, but they don't realize that when they go through websites oftentimes that filing claims can be much more difficult than if you had an agent or a company to work with that you could call up and have them come over and go through the paperwork and fill it all out with you and for you and sort of facilitate that process. You would have to do this on your own, find these forms and file claims and deal with the claims departments if there was any sort of issues or problems that could arise, questions with the claim, they deny the claim, etc. These are issues that your family members would have to deal with after you pass. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing the insurance. What are your goals? Are your goals to provide your family with money that's available for death immediately, that's easy for them to access and get? Or are you just looking for the cheapest amount of coverage that you can buy while you can still buy coverage? So this has been John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about reviews of AARP life insurance.